Hello everyone, registration for our live Kurdish lessons is now officially open and lessons start this Monday. Whether you want to learn Kurmanji, Sorani or Bahdini Kurdish, we have a program for you. During our lessons, you will get many of speaking practice, essential grammar and your own course page for all of your materials. This is at least a 3-month program and it will help to level up your Kurdish. We'll also create a personal learning plan for your current level, for your goals, and for the Kurdish dialect you want to learn. You know what? You will also become a member of our student community. You will connect to our student community to have new friends to practice the daily exercises we share whenever you want. By the way, we'll also start free, very fun monthly webinars with our community in the next weeks. To join our live classes, send me a DM or click the link in my bio for registration details. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the lessons.